So tell us a little bit about your book. The let me get it here,
Yes. So it's
and don't give it all away because I want to finish reading it. So
oh, thank you. Well, I'll just give you the cliff notes. Um,
okay.
it's called The Raw Truth Recharge 7 Truths to Health and Fitness. And how this came about is I was speaking all over the country and Canada, and people kept saying to me, "Do you have what you're saying written down?" And I'd say, "No, but I have exercise videos, which I have 4 exercise videos." And they say, "Well, good, those are good, but do you have what you're saying written down?" So I started to write down what I was saying and just kept writing and writing and writing and writing. And I thought, I actually can make a book out of this. I don't know. God just kind of placed that on my heart. And I thought, well, I don't know who's going to read the book and what should the chapters be. And so I prayed about that. And really, the number 7 kept sticking in my head as I was writing down the things that were important to our overall health. And yes, we know that eating healthy and exercise is important, but there's so much more. And that's what the
Yeah.
chapters are in this book. And so the number 7, by the way, is very significant in the Bible. It means perfection, it
Yeah.
means completion. There were 7 miracles, 7 parables, and the list goes on and on. So I was like, bing, ding, ding, you know. So basically, I started writing down the chapters based on the things that I thought were important to our taking care of our temporary pursuit, our temporary mobile home. And those 7 truths our faith, family, food, fitness, detox, sleep, and stress management are all vital to our health and actually finance too. I've added that in. But, you know, because you can eat right and exercise and be in a toxic relationship and it can
Yeah.
affect your health. You can eat right and exercise, but be sleep deprived and it can affect our health. You can not manage your stress and it can affect our health. And also be spiritually uh, neglected, not take care of your spiritual aspect of your body, mind, body, soul, spirit and it can lead to sickness. And this is only from my own experience of being a nurse and working in a gym for many years. And also, I was a psychiatric nurse. So, peeling off the layers of people of why they were having physical manifestations, it just helped me to get to the root cause of what was going on. And many times it wasn't what they were eating and how much they exercised or a lack of it.